Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about 2020 GATE question on fillet weld. Go through this question on welded connection. I'll read out this question. Two steel plates. So this is one steel plate and this is another steel plate. Okay. Two steel plates are lap jointed in a workshop. See your information. So there exist some keywords and keywords and some key information in the question. Just by knowing that or just by identifying that key points, okay, key points or you can say keywords and key information in the question, we can solve that question easily. Clear everyone? So workshop means here partial factor of safety for weld material is 1.25. This is what, okay, this is what the point should strike to your mind. Okay, this is what the value or the point should strike to your mind. Okay, workshop using a 6 mm thick fillet weld. So this is a 6 mm is S. Clear everyone? As shown in the figure, it means these two plates are connected by making use of 6 mm thick. Okay, 6 mm thick or 6 mm size fillet weld in workshop. That is what the point. And of course, lengths are represented here in the diagram. Okay, lengths are represented here in the diagram. What are those lengths? This side fillet weld is having a length of 200 mm and this end fillet weld is having a length of 120 mm. It means the total length, effective length or LW. It means whatever the length that is shown in the diagram is considered as the effective length of the fillet weld. Is how much? 200 plus 200 plus 120, which comes out to be 520 mm. Is that clear? And of course, the size is also given. S is how much? 6 mm. From this, we can find the throat thickness, TT. Okay, by knowing the size, we can find the throat thickness, TT. So, TT is equal to 0.7 into 6. How much it is? 4.2 mm. These are the given informations, or these are the informations we have calculated based on the, sorry, these are the parameters. Okay, these are the parameters we have calculated based on the given information in this question. Clear now, everyone? Now proceed. As per IS 800/2007 means limit state. Okay, limit state method. The design capacity of the welded connection kilonewton units. Units here kilonewton. It means design capacity means he is asking us to find design strength of the fillet weld in kilonewton. And for that, one more information was mentioned, that is ultimate tensile strength. Okay, ultimate strength of the weld is how much? 410 MPa. So coming to this model, this is the most popular or this is the most repeated question from these welded connections. Of course, nowadays type 2 eccentric welded connections has gained popularity, or more weightage was given to that particular weld. Okay, that particular welded connection. But this is the most repeated so far. Okay, in recent time, type 2 eccentric welded connection has gained weightage, no doubt in that. But if you see from past 20 years, previous year GATE question, this was the most repeated model. Okay, this is the most repeated model from this welded connection. So concentrate more, and that too within one line we can answer these type of questions. Okay, within one line means that one line. Okay, we go to that one line for solving this question by knowing the informations like this. Okay, by knowing the information or by calculating the required parameters from the given information. Is that clear, everyone? Now he's asking us to find design shear strength or design capacity. So we represent that with VDSW is equal to stress. So allowable stress in fillet weld is our design stress. Design stress in fillet weld is FU by √3 into 1.25 into area. What is that area? LW into this throat thickness. So 520 into 4.2. We know that FU is nothing but 410. So 410 into 520 into 4.2 divided by √3 into 1.25. Upon simplifying, we are going to get the answer. Okay, upon simplifying this calculation, we are going to get the answer. That answer is 413.59 kilonewton. So this is the answer for this question. So this question is for 2 marks. Okay, this question is for 2 marks. As I said, within one line we can solve this question. But for going to that one line directly, we require some parameters. So those parameters we can calculate, or we can get those parameters by going through that question and extracting the key informations. Okay, extracting the key informations mentioned in that question. Is that okay, everyone? Take it off.